Welcome to HomeRepairSavannah.com, your number one place to find service professionals in Savannah, Georgia. Are you looking for new hardwood floors in Savannah, Georgia? Well, you come to the right place. HomeRepairSavannah.com, not a huge national directory, but all local contractors, specifically for Savannah, Georgia. Just visit our site, locate the Interior Finishes category, click on Flooring, and contact your local hardwood flooring contractor. Thanks for visiting HomeRepairSavannah.com, your number one place to find service professionals in Savannah, Georgia.